Welcome to the Food and Wellness YouTube channel. You need to hear this if you're a wellness enthusiast. Welcome to our exciting journey towards a healthier and happier you. Here, we celebrate the joy of living well and the pleasure of eating right. It's all about enjoying nutritious food that fuels your body and soul. Imagine vibrant salads, hearty soups, and delightful desserts that are as good for you as they are tasty. We believe a healthy lifestyle should be easy and fun, not boring and restrictive. With the right habits and a little creativity, every day can be a celebration. Get ready for tasty recipes, wellness tips, and exercise routines to keep you motivated. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. This is a space to discover the joy of cooking simple, nutritious meals and integrating exercise into your daily routine. Learn how small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Let's embark on this adventure together, one healthy habit at a time. Join us as we explore new flavors, share tips, and inspire each other to live our best, healthiest lives. Who says healthy eating has to be bland and boring? We're here to prove that wrong. Embrace a lifestyle that nourishes both body and mind. From colorful salads packed with seasonal veggies to invigorating outdoor activities, we've got you covered. We'll share tips on meal prepping, smart grocery shopping, and creative ways to use leftovers, making healthy living a breeze. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with a balanced, fulfilling lifestyle that won't break the bank. Eating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables isn't just visually appealing. It's a feast for your senses and a boon for your health. These vibrant foods are the key to a vibrant and healthy life. Fruits and veggies are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost your immune system, protect your cells from damage, and keep your energy levels soaring. Imagine starting your day with a colorful smoothie, packed with berries, spinach, and a touch of honey. Or enjoying a crisp salad for lunch, bursting with tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. We'll explore the power of balanced nutrition and its impact on your overall wellness. Incorporating whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of water into your diet supports sustained energy and overall well-being. Small changes, like swapping sugary drinks for water or adding an extra serving of veggies to your plate, can make a world of difference. Remember, every small step towards balanced nutrition is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Section 4. Moving towards wellness. Regular physical activity is essential for a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't have to be strenuous gym workouts. Find activities you genuinely enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a fun dance class, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator, every bit of movement counts. Exercise not only benefits your physical health, but also works wonders for your mental well-being, reducing stress, boosting your mood, and improving sleep quality. Section 5. Stay connected on our journey. We believe that sharing this journey with a supportive community makes it even more enjoyable and motivating. When we come together, we create a network of encouragement and positivity that can help us overcome any obstacles we might face. We encourage you to share your thoughts, wellness tips, and progress in the comments section below. Your experiences and insights can be incredibly valuable to others who are on a similar path. Whether it's a new wellness practice you've tried, a milestone you've reached, or a challenge you've overcome, your story matters. Let's inspire and uplift each other as we strive towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. Together, we can build a community where everyone feels supported and motivated to achieve their goals. Remember, every small step counts, and every bit of progress is worth celebrating. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier you is a victory worth celebrating. Each choice you make to improve your well-being is a testament to your dedication and perseverance. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Disclaimer. The information provided in this essay is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a healthcare professional with any questions you may have regarding your health. It is essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment. Your health is unique, and personalized advice from a professional is crucial for making informed decisions.